Hi everyone. I'm going to show today how to install the UTM virtual machine for the course for those on Apple Silicon machines. So first we're going to go to a browser and search UTM, and you'll see virtual machines for Mac. You're going to want to either download and install the program via this link here, or you can go in through the Mac App Store and download and install it that way. Once that's installed, you should be able to go to your Launchpad and find UTM. And I'm just going to search. There we go. So UTM, you're going to open this up and you're going to see a window like this. Now, once you have UTM here, you can click on the plus sign and you can say open existing. You'll first want to have downloaded the UTM Neuroimaging Methods virtual machine from the course Google Drive onto your hard drive. Click on that file once it's downloaded, click on open, and once you see it should load the virtual machine, Neuroimaging Methods Apple Silicon virtual machine into the Finder or kind of sidebar here. And once you do that, all you have to do is push play. It will go through a boot option. You'll see some messages that you can, for the most part, ignore. And you'll see a Ubuntu Neuroimaging Methods screen. You can click on that, use the password 651 to log in. And there you go. You have Ubuntu Linux on your Apple Silicon Mac using some quick and easy methods here via UTM. Sometimes when resizing the window, it might take a little bit of time for the window to refresh. In my experience, it's typically just taken a few seconds to just finish refreshing, but it should come back. So just be on the lookout for that. Let us know if you have any questions and or if you run into any problems with getting the UTM version of this installed. Thanks.